for months now, I've been in search of Paige and I can't find her from Advantage Athletic Therapy.
Been hiding.
You're hiding. How are you? How's the family?
Good. We're very, very busy right now.
It's I wanted to catch up because you guys do such a great job on your podcast, and I just wanted to touch base with you and see how everything's going and see, I think you're coming back in the new year, which is great to be
Yeah.
back at the office and busy with the kids. But maybe just a couple fall reminders for folks because us old folks, fall's coming and I want to get the skates out and I'm going to be shoveling and
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
all that stuff. So fire away, will you?
Yeah, so as always, you can contact us online on our website, advantageathletictherapy.com, or send a text, email, or phone call at 519-718-2882. But with the fall sports starting up, and I always find September, October to be a great time to get back into routine of activities, outdoor walks now that's not so hot. So those injuries start creeping back. So you know where to find us that way. And then yeah, our little kiddos are starting some new fall activities with hockey for the first year, and we've got some
Oh,
gymnastics and dance. So hopefully my
ooh.
4 and 2 year old aren't getting injured at this age, but I know that this is a time that sports are starting back up and different kinds of sports, school sports as well for the older kids that may have been playing baseball in the summer, but now they're switching to football or some soccer and things. So yeah.
One of the things as a parent, and you just brought that up, and it came back to me really quick, was I always remember when, if Erin was doing her dance class or something, and I'd have Liram, and it seemed like I was always carrying him,
Mhm.
and your posture would get terrible. And
Yes.
the next day you
Yeah,
wake up and you're like, oh my God, right? I mean, there's so many other things just as a parent that you should
for
probably
sure.
address physically, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you're seeing it firsthand, right? You understand.
Yeah, I need to book with Brayden right now with my neck. My youngest is sick, so I've been holding her lots in the night and sleeping with her. So my whole body is broken through the night, and I have to suffer the consequences in the morning.
And it's a real problem. Like, I don't
It
think
is.
it's something we've never really addressed.
It's true. And
Parenting is hard
for the
work.
two of us, yeah, it is hard work.
But just that, the back, the neck, like you said, when
Yes,
you're up, I would just remember if the kids were up in the middle of the night and you'd be holding them and falling asleep on the couch and the TV's on and you wake up in that posture that you're like, oh, this is not going to be good tomorrow. But that's another, a massage, right?
yeah,
You
yeah.
gotta have
And
go ahead.
I was going to say, and like you said, I'm coming back to work come January time when my daughter turns 1, but Brayden is holding down the fort at the clinic now. Um, Speak of a little
Speak of it.
troublemaker.
I, I
um,
won't keep I won't keep you long because I know you're busy, but
yeah,
just I think that's one of the things I want to talk to you about down the road is just that expansion on parenting and how that role is physically demanding and how we kind of miss it sometimes and we don't understand that we do need to take care of our bodies and come and see you guys, correct?
that's right. And not putting ourselves first, taking that time to make those appointments for ourselves when we're in need.
That's a huge because we always as
Yeah,
parents, right? We always put ourselves secondary, our kids are first. But you
that's
need
right.
to be healthy and strong to be able to do all those great things with your kids down the road.
It's true.
All right. How do people get a hold of you again? One more time.
So online, you can book online, advantageathletictherapy.com, or you can send a text, email, phone call, 519-718-2882.
Great to catch up. Take care, Paige.
You too. Thanks, Dave.